Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make barbecue short ribs at home without a grill and fresh homemade barbecue sauce. Let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to take our short ribs, we're going to lay them out. We're going to apply our dry rub. We're just going to sprinkle some on there. We're going to give that a good rub down to get it all into that meat. And we're going to flip them over and get some on the other side as well. And again, we're going to rub that into there so we get that flavors throughout that whole meat there. Alright, now we're going to make sure that they're all in a single layer. We're going to fold up our foil and we're going to seal it into a bag. This way the flavors get locked in there and the meat gets fully cooked and stays moist. Alright, now that that's all sealed up, we're going to go bake it at 350 for an hour and a half. Alright, now while that's in the oven, we're going to make our barbecue sauce. We're going to start off with 15 ounces of tomato sauce. Put that into the pan. To that, we're going to add a quarter cup of honey and a quarter cup of rice vinegar. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. One tablespoon of molasses. Alright, up next we're going to add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and 2 teaspoons of paprika. Then we have 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper, and a half teaspoon of salt. We're going to put that all in the pot. We're going to turn on the heat. And we're going to heat it up, stirring until it starts to bubble. We're going to make sure we get all those seasonings and everything all blended together. We're going to turn down the heat and we're going to let that simmer for about 5 minutes. Alright, now that it's been going for 5 minutes, we're going to turn off the heat. And we're going to give it a good stir. And there's our sauce. Now we're going to set this aside and wait for our ribs. Alright, now that those are out of the oven, we're ready to add our barbecue sauce on there. Just going to put a nice coat of barbecue sauce on there. Alright, now we're going to broil those for 5 minutes and then we're going to flip them, barbecue the other side, and go another 5 minutes. And there you have our barbecue ribs. Look at how tender that is, just fall off the bone. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.